If f of x is continuous on closed interval 0 comma 6 and differentiable on 0 comma 6, let f of 0 is given, that is 12, and f of 6 is given minus 4. If g of x is equal to f of x by x plus 1, then some Lagrange's constant c belongs to 0 comma 6, then g dash c is equal to dash. This is MSET 2018 question, TS question. According to Lagrange's mean value theorem, we know that g dash c is equal g of b is g of 6 minus g of 0 by 6 minus 0. That g of 6, here is given function g of x is given f of x by x plus 1, that f of 6 by 6 plus 1 minus g of 0, that is f of 0 by 0 plus 1 by 6, that is f of 6 value is given, that is minus 4, that is minus 4 by 7, and f of 0 value is 12 by 6. Just take LCM, that is 1 minus 4 minus 84 by 6, that is 7 into 6, that is equal to minus 88 by 7 into 6, that is 42. 2 cancelled, 4 is 21. Therefore g dash c is equal to minus 44 by 21. The number of admissible values of c obtained when the Lagrange's mean value theorem is applied for the function f of x equal to x 2 comma is. This is TSM set 2020 9th September shift 1 question. Here is given function is f of x is equal to x. From Lagrange's mean value theorem, f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. That is f dash c. Take derivation, that is f dash x is equal to 1. That is 1 is equal to f of b, f of 5 minus f of 2 by 5 minus 2. So f of 5 is, that is 5 minus 2 by 3, that is 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. This is 12. So this c belongs to 2 comma 5. I have infinite number of values. Infinite values. Dash c is equal to 1. Here c belongs to comma. Here third option is answer. If the Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x is equal to x power 4 plus ax cube plus x in minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and f dash 1 by 2 is equal, and the value of ab is, here first option minus 4, second one minus 64, third option minus 1, fourth option minus 8. This is TSM set 2020 9th September shift 2 question. Here is given function f of x is equal to the power of 4 plus ax cube plus bx. We know that from Rolle's theorem f of minus 1 is equal to f of, putting these values, minus 1 whole power 4 minus a plus minus b is equal to f of 1, that is 1 plus a plus b. Both sides 1 cancelled, that is 2a plus 2b is equal to 0. 2a plus 2b is equal to 0. From this a plus b is equal to 0. A is equal to minus b. And the given second relation is, that is f dash of 1 by 2 is equal. Now take derivation, that is 4x cube. If f of x, derivative of f of x, that is f dash x is equal to 4x cube plus 3ax square plus b. So f dash 1 by 2 is equal to 0. That is 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 by 8 plus 3a into x square, that is 1 by 4 plus b is equal to 0. So take LCM, that is 4 2 times cancelled. So by 2 plus 3a by 4 plus b is equal to 0. Take LCM, that is 3a plus 4b plus 2 is, substituting a is equal to minus b, is 3 into minus b. 4b plus 2 is equal to 0. That is b plus 2 is equal to b equal to, so b value is minus 2. A is equal, that is equal to minus of minus 2. A is equal. Now we find the value of AB, that is 2 into minus equal to minus 4. For AB is equal to minus 4. Your first option is correct. Let f of x be differentiable on closed interval 1 comma 6. F of 1 is equal to minus 2. F of x has only one root in 1 comma 6. Then there exists c belongs to 1 comma 6, such that this is TSM set 2018 question. 4th May shift to question. Here is given f of x be differentiable on closed interval comma 6, and f of 1 is given, that f of 1 is minus 2, and f of x as only when interval 1 comma 6 is f of 1 into f of 6 less than 0, but f of 1 is minus 2 into f of 6 less than, that is f of 6 greater than. We know that by Lagrange's mean value theorem, f dash c is equal to f of b, f of 6 minus f of 1 by 6 minus 1. That is f of 6 is f of 6 minus f of 1 is given, that is plus 2 by 5. That means here observe this equation, f dash c is equal to f of 6 plus 2 by 5. That means this f dash c is always greater by 5. So your fourth option is correct answer, that is f dash c is greater than 2 by 5. Let f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus x, a real valued function. Then the value of Lagrange's constant c 1 comma 2 is dash. This is TSM set 2018 question. Clearly the given function f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus. This function is f of x is continuous in closed interval minus 1 comma 2 and differentiable in minus 1 open interval minus 1 comma 2. So every polynomial function is differentiable. By Lagrange's mean value theorem, we know that f dash c is equal to f of 2 minus f of minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1. Take f dash x is equal to, this is x cube, derivative is 3x square plus 4x, that is f dash c, that is 3c square minus 1 is equal to f of 2. So it is 2 cube 8 plus 8 minus 2, and f of minus 1, that is minus of minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3. 8 plus 8 16, 16 minus of 1 can by 3 by 3, that is 4, that is 3c square plus 4c minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now we find the value. C is equal to applying minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by, that is minus b minus 4 plus or minus b square 16 minus, that is 60 by 4a. Therefore C is minus 4 minus root of 16 plus 16, that is root 76. Root 76 is written as 19 into 16 by 12, that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 19 minus 4 by 12 minus plus or minus 2 by root 19 by 6. Clearly the value c is equal to plus 1 by 3 plus root 19 by 6, which is belongs minus 1 comma 2. So the value of C is minus 1 by 3 plus root by 6, that is take LCM, that is root 19. This is the value of C. The value of C in the Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to root over x minus 2. The interval 2 comma 6 is dash. This is MSET 2014 question. Here is given function f of x is equal to under root of x minus 2. Find derivative, that is f dash x is equal to 1 by 2 root x minus 2. We know that by Lagrange's mean value theorem there exists a C belongs to 2 comma 6. F dash C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus. So f dash C, that is 1 by 2 root C minus equal to f of b, that is f of 6 minus f of 2 by minus 2. 1 by 2 root C minus 2 f of 6, that is root over 6 minus 2, root 4 f of 2 root over 2 minus 2 is 0 by 6 minus 2. Root 4 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root C minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So both sides 2 to cancel, take cross multiplication, C minus 2 root is equal to 1, squaring on both sides. C minus 2 is equal to 1, C is equal to 3. So this 3 belongs to 2 comma 6. The value of C is 3. This 3 lies in between 2 and 6. If f is defined in closed interval 1 comma 3 by f of x is equal to x cube plus bx square plus ax, that f of 1 minus f of 3 is equal to 0. F dash C is equal to 0. Where C is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3, then a comma b is equal to dash. This is MSET 2015 question. Here is given function, that is f of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus ax. So and f of 1 minus f of 3 is equal to 0. From this equation f of 1 is equal to f of 3. So substituting these values in this equation, that is 1 plus b plus a is equal to 27 plus 9b plus 3a. From this equation 9b minus b, that is 8b plus 2a, 26 is equal to 0. Take 2 common, that is 4b plus a equal to minus 13. So verify the first option, that is first option is minus 6 comma 11. Substituting a minus 6, b 11 is 4 into 11, 44 minus 6 equal to 38, which is not equal to minus 13. First option is wrong. And verifying third option, that is 11 comma minus 6. A value is 11, b value is minus 6. 4 into minus 6 plus a, 11 minus 24 plus 11 equal to minus 13. So third option satisfies the relation 4b plus a is equal to minus 13. So third option is correct answer. So therefore the values of a comma b is equal to 11 comma minus 6. The value of C in Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus in the interval 0 comma 1 by TSMSET 2018 question. Here is given function f of x is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So multiplying these three is f of x is equal to x into x square minus 3x plus 2. So therefore f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now take differentiation, that is f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. So applying Lagrange's mean value theorem, LMVT, that is we know that f dash C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus. So f dash C, that is 3c square minus 6c plus 2 is equal to f of b, that is f of 1 by 2 minus f of 0 by 1 by 2 minus 0. 3c square minus 6c plus 2 equal to f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2, substituting in this equation x cube, that is 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 1, minus f of 0 is 0 by 1 by 2 minus 0, that is 1 by 2. So 3c square minus 6c plus 2 is equal to, so take LCM, that is numerator 8 LCM, that is 1 minus 6 plus 8 into 1 by 2 is, that is 2 by 1, 2 4 times cancel, 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3 by, so take cross multiply, that is 12c square minus 24c plus 8 is equal to, so 12c square minus 24c plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we are applying minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is minus b 24 plus or minus root of 24 square, that is 576 minus 4ac into 12, 48, 48 into 5, that is 2 by 2a is 20, 24 by 24, 1 plus minus 576 plus 240, that is under root of 336. 336 written as 16 into 21 by 24, 16 into 21 by 24, that is equal to 1 plus or minus 4 root 21 by 24, 6 times cancel, that is equal to c is equal to 1 plus or minus root 21 by 6. Is equal to 1 plus or minus or 1 by 37 3s, that is equal to 1 plus or minus 7 by 12, that is 2 root 3. So from this c is equal to 1 minus root 7 by 2 root 3, which is belongs to 0 comma 1 by 2. So the value of c is 1 minus 7 by 2 root 3.